Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. I am your mathematics teacher, Muhammad Amjad Saeed, from Pakistan International School, Taif. And we will continue our lecture number 30. That is chapter number 6, exercise 6.1. Last time we finished our part number 1 of question number 3. That was HCF by division method. Here I have written part number 2. We have to find HCF by division method. First of all, you must check which expression is bigger. Definitely that expression will be bigger whose order is greater. And which order is greater one? Degree, this is 4 and this is 3. So that definitely this is the greater expression. So you will write down this expression inside. x4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 3. Here is 5x cube plus 3x square minus 17x plus 6. Dear students, you can check. You have to make x4 with the help of 5x cube. I am repeating again. You have to make x4 with the help of 5x cube. So definitely you cannot make this x4 by this number because there is a 5 and here is 1. So in such cases, the important thing is that you multiply this whole expression by same number here. Then it will be divided. Again I am repeating, to make the suitable expression, you will multiply first term and will go whole expression with 5 so that you can have this same coefficient. That was 5. For example, if it was 2, then you multiply this whole expression by 2. If it was 7, you multiply by 7. Here is 5x4 plus 5x cube minus 10x square plus 5x minus 15. Dear students, we have written that after multiplying, now you are going to make 5x4 with the help of 5x cube. So x is required. If you multiply 5x cube by x, you will make this one. 5x4 plus 3x cube minus 17x square and plus 6x. Dear students, change the sign. Minus, here is minus, this will be plus and minus. 5x4 plus and minus cancelled out and we are left with 5 minus 3, that is 2x cube minus 7x square because minus 10 plus 17. Plus 7x square. Minus 10 plus 17, not minus. Plus 7x square minus x plus 5x minus 6x and minus 15. You can check. This is 2x cube. This is 5x cube. This one is bigger. You will write down the smaller outside and bigger will come inside. Here is 2x cube plus 7x square minus x minus 15. And the bigger term will be written inside. 5x cube plus 3x square minus 17x and plus 6. Dear students, look at that. Here is 5x cube and this is 2x cube. You are going to make 5x cube with the help of 2x cube. Is it possible that you can have 2 with the help of 2 you can make this 5? No. Again the same procedure because 5 is not divisible by 2, exactly divisible by 2. So that you can multiply this whole expression by 2, you will get the expression which is exactly divisible by this 2. The main purpose is that you will get that coefficient which will be exactly divided by 2. So here is 10x square plus 6x square minus 34x and plus 12. Now 10x cube is divided by 2x cube. You will have 5. 10x cube plus 35x square minus 5x minus 75. Now change the sign here. They will be cancelled out. 6x square minus 35x square. This is minus 29x square. Minus 34 plus 5 minus 29x. Plus 12 and plus 75. This will be 87. Dear students, from here you can check. You can take minus 29 common. Here will be x square. There is a negative sign. Internal sign will change. 29. 87 divided by minus 29. That will be 3. Now you can check this number is common. It is not used in the next step. I have told you it will not be used in the next step. So if we will write down smaller outside and bigger term will come inside. So here you can check x square plus x minus 3 and inside 2x cube plus 7x square minus x minus 15. With the help of x square you want to make 2x cube. So here you can have 2 multiplied by 2, 2x cube, rather 2x, yes, 2x cube and plus 2x square and minus 6x. Change the sign. Here will be 9x square plus 5x and minus 15. Here you can have, what is this? 2x cube plus 7x minus x minus 15 and x square plus x minus 3. This is here is no, this is not, sorry. This is plus 7 and minus 2 is 5. You can check, you can divide this directly because it is further divisible, or even you can take 5 common from here. X square plus x minus 3. Now you can check, this is the number, it can be written outside and the divisor will come inside. This is the alternate. You can do it this way or you can do another time by 5 here to plus 5 and do it. X square plus x minus 3. With 1 it will go x square plus x minus 3. You can change the sign and cancel them all. So what is your HCF? Last divisor. X square plus x minus 3. That one. This is your answer. I hope that you can do next part. Now we are going to move question number 4. Dear students, we have question number 4. Find LCM of this expression. We have to find the LCM of the expression. Number 1, 39 x7 y cube z, 91 x5 y6 and z7. Remember that in case of LCM, formula is LCM is equal to product of factors multiplied by product of non-common factors. Remember that this time for finding LCM you have to find product of common factors, product of non-common factors, and then multiply them. That will be your LCM. This common multiple which will be divisible for all. Here, just like your question number 1, I am doing 39x7y cube z 3 into 13 x7 time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 y 3 times and z. Similarly, 91 x5 y6 and z7, that is 3 into 17, x is coming 5 times, y 6 times. In this way you can write down y 6 times and z is 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What is product of common factors? Product of common factors. What are the product of common factors? 3 and 3 from both. X coming 5 times from both. X coming 5 times from both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These two are non-common. These two X are non-common. Y 3 times and Z 1 time. Dear students, you can check. This is product of common factors. 3x, 5, y cube and z. Then we have product of non-common factors. What are the product of non-common factors? 13 and 17. 2 times x left. 2 times x left from here. And 3 times y left from here. And 6 times z left from here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is 13 and 17, this is 2 to 1, x 2 times, y 3 times, z 6 times. After that, I am writing the answer. What is LCM? Therefore, LCM is equal to product of common factors. What are the product of common factors? 3x5y cube z into product of non-common factors 2 to 1 x square y cube z 6. Now you can multiply them. 6, 6, 3, x power 5 and x power 2. Add them. You know that bases are same, powers are added. Y cube, y6 and z7. Check your answer. Yes, we have exercise 6.1, question number 4, 73. So that one, just a minute. It's not 3 into 13. Here is what was 39, 3 into 13. That was 3 into 13. And then 7 into 13, I think. Yes. So common factor was 13. Here was 13. And non-common factors were 3 and 7. Yes, 3 and 7, that is 21. So at the end, 3 into 13. No, that was 7 into 13. 7 into 13. So basically there was a little, so we have common factor is, here is 13 and that is 21. Other numbers are same but constants were a little different. Non-common factors. Okay, 273. So this is 273, x7, y6 and z7. Sorry, my dear students, actually wrongly I have written that, but now it is correct. Exercise 6.1. Question number 5. Find LCM by factorization. LCM by factorization. Remember that this idea, this formula will remain valid. We will find product of common and non-common factor and then multiply. Same method will be used here. Part number 1 is x square minus 25x plus 100 and x square minus x minus 20. We have to find the LCM with the help of factorization. First of all, you will multiply first and last. 100 x square 1 and 100, 2 and 50 and 4 and 25 and 5 and 20. So these are the possible pairs. You can check which pair after adding or subtracting is making minus 25 and after multiplying 100. So I told you already that in your possible pair the bigger component will have this sign, will have the certain sign always. So here is minus 20, definitely this is minus. So here you are getting this positive. So here must be minus, so minus minus plus. So after multiplying you are getting plus 100 and after adding you are getting minus 25. So x square minus 20x minus 5x plus 100. Now multiplying first and last. PQ method, minus 20 x square. Make the possible pairs 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. Dear students, which is the possible pair which is adding or subtracting is giving you this minus 1? And after multiplying, and remember that this getting 1. So bigger component will have this sign. Here, from here. Minus from here. So the smaller component will have plus, because plus minus you are getting minus. Multiplying you are getting minus 20. Adding, subtracting you are getting minus 1. So x square minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. Take x common from first two, x into x minus 20, minus 5 common. Remember, minus 5 common means inside sign will change. It will be x minus 20. X common, x minus 5 plus 4 common, x minus 5. 4x divided by 4 you get x. 20 divided by 4 you get 5. X minus 5, x minus 20. X minus 5, x plus 4. Now, my dear students, left hand side is equal to product of common factors. That formula, which is present in both. This is common factor. It is taken one time. Product of common factor and non-common. Which are non-common? X minus 20 here and x plus 4 from here. So in this way, that is your LCM. Similarly, you can have part number 2, 3 and 4. We can do one part. Dear students, we have question number 5, part number 3. It is given 2 into x4 minus 5,4, 3 into x cube plus 2x square y minus xy square minus xy minus 2y cube. You have to find the LCM by factorization. Dear students, you can take to write down in the proper shape of formula. Here is x square whole square minus y square whole square 3, and here you can take x square common from first two. If you take x square common from first two, this is divided by that, so you will have x and plus 2y minus y square. You can take y square common, and you know that there is a negative sign here, so there will be change of sign inside. So we have x plus 2y. 2, remove this 2 and 2, one's negative, one's positive. And x plus 2y. My dear students, you can check. LCM will be the product of common factor and non-common factor. Which is the common factor? X square minus y square, this is common factor. And what are non-common factor? This is 2, this is 3, non-common, and x plus 2y is also non-common. Write down this constant figure first. 3 to the 6 into x square minus y square into x plus 2y. My dear students, that is your LCM. So in this way, we have written the formula, product of common and non-common factors, and at the end, we got the answer. I hope that you understood this question and you can do other parts as a homework. Alhamdulillah, we have finished up to question number 5, exercise 6.1. If there is any problem, any confusion, then you can come to me, you can ask, you can contact, and inshallah I will solve that problem if you have any. And I hope that you will do the parts which I left for you as a homework. So, alhamdulillah, okay, Allah Hafiz, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.